In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Hotmail account. If your email address ends in hotmail.com, the first thing to know is that Hotmail is part of your Microsoft account. That means deleting the Hotmail account usually means closing the full Microsoft account connected to it, not just removing the inbox. Microsoft also explains that this can affect other Microsoft services linked to the same sign-in. First, open your browser and sign in to your Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, go to the account closure page and follow the prompts. Microsoft says you need to sign in before you can close the account, and if you cannot access it, you should use account recovery or support options first. Before you continue, take a moment to review anything important saved in that account. This can include emails, files, subscriptions, balances, or any services still connected to that Microsoft login. Microsoft warns users to make sure they are not leaving behind anything they may need later, because once the account is fully deleted, that data may no longer be available. After that, confirm your identity and continue through the account closure steps. You may be asked to review several warnings, check confirmation boxes, and choose a reason for closing the account. This is part of Microsoft's process to make sure the request is really coming from you and that you understand what happens next. Once you submit the request, the account is usually not deleted immediately. Microsoft says you are offered either a 30-day or 60-day grace period, depending on the account. During that time, you can still change your mind and reopen the account by signing in again before the grace period ends. One important thing to remember is this. If your goal is only to stop using Hotmail on a public or shared computer, you may not need to delete the account at all. In that case, signing out is the safer option. Microsoft says you can sign out of Hotmail or Outlook.com by opening Outlook.com, selecting your profile picture or initials, and choosing Sign Out. So the main steps are simple. Sign in to your Microsoft account, review the warnings, confirm your identity, choose your reason, and submit the closure request. Then remember that you still have a limited grace period in case you decide to come back before the account is permanently deleted. And that's it. That's how to delete a Hotmail account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.